With the whole new, exquisite and folding design,
Our FQ26
is going to bring a whole new visual experience. Although in a compact and innovative folding design, it's very handy and flexible. Before flight, install the battery in the aircraft and turn on the aircraft switch for the next code matching. Use your phone to scan the corresponding two-dimensional code and install the software. Then set up and connect the corresponding hotspots. Open the software and start the real-time transmission or control actions. Before flight, fully charged battery. This is for powerful battery supply during flight. Flight operations demonstration. Ascend, descend, forward, backward, left sideward flight, right sideward flight,
left spin, right spin, Headless Mode, high and low speed switch, trimmer key, .3D rolling mode, camera video mode, gravity mode. Push the throttle joystick and control the flight by tilting the mobile phone. Finally, manipulate the aircraft to shoot and enjoy the images or videos from Wi-Fi real-time transmission.
Come on, let's take the FQ26 and start to take the beautiful view and release your feeling as you soar in the sky.
FQ26,
undoubtedly a great drone.